So I shoot over 1,000 homes per year doing real estate photography full time, and this makes well above a six-figure income. But with that much volume, how much time do you think it takes me every single day to edit all of these photos? Well, if you were thinking anything other than 0 minutes per day, then you'd be wrong. That's right, I don't spend any time at all editing my real estate photos, and that alone has allowed me to charge over $300,000 last year. All right, so what's the secret? And it's all about outsourcing your editing. So I'm a firm believer that in life, you have to find out what you are good at and then focus on doing that. And then everything else, you just need to pass that off to other people that are going to do a better job than you would do at it. And this is exactly where outsourced editing fits into my workflow. I consider myself to be a great shooter with a good eye for composition, as well as good systems and processes in place that allow me to get in and out of properties quickly. That way I can shoot more in a day, which means more money. But one thing I'm not good at on a consistent basis is editing all of these photos. I mean, yeah, I could technically edit them, but honestly, I'm not very good at it and it takes a long time. I don't enjoy it. I don't like staring at a screen for hours on end. When I am done shooting, I like to come home and relax and do other things like spend time with my family. So when I outsource my photos, it's a huge time saver because all I do is I go to the houses, I shoot all the photos, I come back and sort them into a Google Drive folder that I share with the editors. Fast forward 8 to 12 hours later, the editors will then send me fully processed and edited images that are ready for delivery. It's that simple. I mean, this saves so much time that I wouldn't want to put into editing anyway. It also gives me the most consistent look to my photos every single time. The best part is it literally is so cheap. I mean, you can find editors as cheap as 40 cents per photo, but on average, you're going to pay 60 cents to $1 per photo. That is honestly a drop in the bucket if you are charging for doing real estate photography. I mean, for the time saving and the quality you get, you literally cannot beat it. And if you're sitting there thinking,
well, I don't do that much volume yet, I don't really need to do outsourced editing because I have the time to edit it myself.
Well, here's where I think you're wrong. When you were first starting out and you're trying to build your portfolio, you want to have really great quality and consistency from day one. And the fastest way to do this is just outsource all of your photos. This is a huge mistake that I see new real estate photographers make, is they try to save $1 and edit them themselves, and then they end up with less than stellar results, and that is directly correlated with if people are going to hire you or not. This topic, among other things, is something that I preach in my online coaching community. If you'd like to have access to a full real estate media course and have me as your personal coach to make sure you're successful in real estate media, go to the link in the description to join. It's not $800 or anything. I've made this super affordable for anyone. It's just $35 a month with no commitments. Having a course, a community, and coaching all in one is the quickest way for you to become successful at real estate marketing. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, you can consider subscribing because that's going to help me make more videos for you in the future. That's all I have for now. I'll see you in the next one.